Hi everyone, welcome to Learnerforce. If you want to learn Agentforce from the scratch and build the AI agent inside the Salesforce, this series is for you. Even if you have no idea about AI, don't worry, I will explain everything in a simple way. And one more thing, I'm also learning Agentforce right now. So every day I'm spending some time learning, and whatever I learn, I will share it here. So this is not just a tutorial series, it's a learning journey that we are doing together. So what you will learn in this video is in today's video we will cover what exactly is Agentforce is, why it is introduced, some real world example and what you can expect from this series. I'm planning to make a playlist where I add all these Agentforce videos. So I will explain you what are the things you can expect in that series. Firstly, what is Agentforce? Let's start with the definition. Agentforce is an AI-powered assistant inside the Salesforce that can understand user input, process information, and take actions automatically. Now, this may sound a bit technical. In simple words, Agentforce is a smart helper inside the Salesforce that can read, understand, and respond just like a human assistant. Instead of just following the fixed instruction, it can actually understand what the user is asking. For example, let's think the customer says, I don't receive my order. A normal system may just store this as a text in Salesforce, but the agent can understand that it's a delivery issue and then check the order details in the Salesforce and respond to it with a correct status. So it behaves more intelligently. Then a simple example. Let me explain this step by step. Like if the customer type, I have a problem with my order. Now, what happens internally is first the agent understand the meaning of the sentence. Then it identify what's the problem could be. Then check the Salesforce data and finally gives the proper response to it. In simple words, it's a support person reading the message and replying correctly. Instead of human manually checking everything, the agent does it automatically in seconds. Then we can see why we need agent force. Now let's understand why we need the agent force. Earlier we have the tools like flows for automation. Flows are like a rule based system. That means they only work if we clearly defines the rules. For example, if we mention like the case status is open, then assign this case to the support. This work perfectly on the structured data. But what if the customer writes, my product is damaged and I need the replacement? Flows can't understand this sentence. So, in simple words, flows can follow the structures but can't understand the language. That's why we need the agent force. So, you may think we do have a Copilots and also the chat GPTs. But the difference between them with the Agent Force is the Agent Force is only made for Salesforce. It works with the Salesforce, with the Salesforce component. So let's see the difference between flows and agents clearly. Like the flows work on the predictable rules, does exactly what we tells. The agent understand the user input, the common language, and make the decision based on the context. In simple words, flows can be like a machine, but the agent force is like a human assistant. Example: if the fields is X, then do this. That can work on the flows, but in the agent, it reads the message and understands the problem and then responds. That's the key difference. Then we can see the real use cases. Now let's see where we use the agent force in real life. Like it can be used as a chatbot. As I mentioned, you think it ChatGPT or Copilot can also do it, but as I mentioned earlier, this is for the Salesforce. It works with the Salesforce. And the lead qualification defines if the lead is useful or not. And QA FAQ automation, like answering the repeated questions instantly. Like basically, Agentforce helps to reduce the manual work and saves the time. Instead of supporting team answers the same questions repeatedly, Agentforce can do it automatically. Then where it fits, though, Agentforce works along with the existing Salesforce features that I mentioned earlier. So you can think the system is like for example, Salesforce data, which stores the information, flows, apex, those will define the logic. But the agent force that adds the intelligence to the system. So agent force is like a brain for the Salesforce. So the data is has the customer details. Then the flows will process the logic. Then the agent force will make the decision. It's like a decision maker. Altogether, we can say the complete system. Then let's see who should learn the Agent Force. This is useful for the Salesforce admin, developers, or beginners. Everyone who wants to move into AI-based Salesforce solution. Like if you know the basic Salesforce, you can start learning this. The basic Apex flows. If you know that, then you can start learning the Agent Force. Like if you already know the flows, Agent Force is like a next step for your learning. Then, as I mentioned, I'm planning to make a playlist of the agent force. Let me tell you what are the things I will cover on this playlist. Now, we can go step by step of basic core concept, has hands-on practice, real-world projects, interview preparations. So I'm planning to make more than 20 videos on agent force, and as of now I'm planning to make videos on this, and we'll see if we get any new things in between. If you guys also want to know anything on the agent force, just add it in the comment. I will also go through those concepts and learn it, and we will I will make the video on that. We will learn it together. So, in simple word, by the end of this, you will be able to build your own agent for solution. So that's my aim for making this playlist, like creating the chatbot or automating the agent inside the Salesforce. And related to next video, in the next video I'm planning to do on how agent force work internally. Like don't worry, I will explain in a simple way with the diagrams. Like to implement a solution with a agent force, we should know how exactly it works, right? So I'm going to cover that in the next video. So if you found this video helpful, please share, like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.